How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new video. So my name is Clint, man. Welcome back. I'm gonna be showing you guys basically how to I'm gonna be documenting pretty much my journey. I just started I opted into an Amazon store, and I'm gonna be documenting my journey. And throughout this process, I'm very excited. So I just figured, I start somewhere, right? I've tried a lot of different things. I've made a little bit of money online here and there, but nothing has been consistent. Nothing has stuck. And to make a long story short, I can make a different video about the whole background, who I am, etc., all that stuff, my journey, etc. But this channel and the purpose of this documentation is just to see how far I can take myself, because anything I've set my mind to, I've tend to figure it out, and I've been able to do a lot of good things for myself and others over the years. And I think it's time that I really, I want to take it a step further and do this. I've been contemplating this for so long, and finally I saw another ad on Instagram. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna pull the trigger, man. It's time to pull the trigger. Let's start. There's no need to keep procrastinating. It's been 4 years now. I've been trying to start this. So here I am. If you're watching this video for the first time, let this video just be an inspiration, and let this be your motivation to start today. Okay, start today. I'm gonna again document everything I'm doing. And this is the documentation part for me is the fun part, right? Because I get to see from the beginning to the end. Today is September 13, 2024. Yesterday was day one. I was on a conference call. I bought the course. I'm gonna go through the course step by step, as much information as possible every day after work. This is all I'm gonna be focused on for a while. And even though I'm aware that it's only a couple weeks, you're only required to work about 5 to 10 hours a week on this. But honestly, I'm gonna get obsessed over this, because I want to succeed, and I want to succeed, and I want to see results in 12 months. Like, I want to see good results. I want to see results as quickly as possible, but I want to give myself a full year of actually doing this before I'm like, okay. You know what I'm saying? So I just like any other job, when you start, you're new, you don't know what's going on, but you give it like 6 months before you know it, you're now comfortable, and you know what to do. So for me, I'm kind of in that space where that's the plan. You know what I'm saying? That's the plan. So to make a long story short, hey, go out there, start today, start today. Start today. So that's the message of the day. Thank you for watching. Without further ado, I'm gonna see y'all soon. Peace.